Hey everyone, Nicole Herrick here with you. Today I'm going to show you how to add your YouTube channel to your Google Analytics account. Okay, so if you go and log into your Google Analytics, it'll come up on just one of the properties that you have. But to add a new property to your Google Analytics account, you need to come down here to Admin. It's really not very user-friendly, this Google. It's never been user-friendly, so yeah, maybe lift your game. Anyway, we want to go Account and Create Account. And we want to pop what we're going to call it. So I'm going to call it Nicole Herrick YouTube channel. And I'm just going to call the website name the same thing. And I'm going to pop the URL in. Now, to get your URL, you simply need to go and click on your account and then My Channel. And it will come up here with a little question mark, View as Subscriber at the end. So we don't actually want that bit. We just want from just before the question mark. And I'm just going to go to the www. Okay, so I'm going to click copy, go back here, and you can see that it's already got the HTTP blah blah blah, and I'm going to use the S1 because that is what it has here, and I'm going to paste, and there we go, and then go through and select your industry. I'm going to choose hobbies and leisure, pop in your time zone, and then you can choose all of your data sharing settings. Now we're going to click Get Tracking ID. And once that's loaded, it'll come up and give you your UA tracking ID. So we're going to copy this and we're going to go back to our YouTube channel, and we are going to go to our YouTube Studio, or the regular YouTube one, the older one. And we're going to go down to Settings and Other Settings and Advanced Channel Settings. And if we scroll down here, we can see Google Analytics Property Tracking ID. So we're going to simply paste it in there and click Save. So now it will take several days, maybe a week, to start bringing in information into your analytics. But once you do, you can go to your home and it will show you information on the people looking at your YouTube channel. I hope that was helpful. If you want to learn more tips and tricks on absolutely everything, just subscribe to my channel.